I welcome you all for this lecture series in Principles of Management course. Yes, today we have an interesting topic. We all know about communication. Let us see what are the types of communication we have. So generally, communication is a crucial aspect of human interaction. It involves the exchange of information, ideas, and feelings. There are various types of communication that serve different purpose and reach diverse audience. So verbal communication is one type where we use verbal communication involves the use of spoken words to convey messages. Active listening, effective verbal communication requires active listening where the receivers pay attention and understand the message. Tone of voice, the tone of voice can significantly impact the message's interpretation. It can convey emotions, attitudes, and intentions. Body language, non-verbal cues such as facial expressions, gestures, and posture complement verbal communication. So non-verbal communication is one of the another type where body languages, proxemics, appearance is the three things which is in non-verbal communication. Gestures, posture, facial expression, eye contact convey messages without words. So, if you want to make the students, as you are all now sitting in the class, silent, a teacher just sees everyone wants silence so that there is an expression of a command to be silent. So that is eye contact. And the use of space and distance in communication influence the level of intimacy and formality. Clothing, hairstyle, accessories can convey social status, personality, and intentions. These are all the things which is required for non-verbal communication. The next type is written communication, letters and emails. Formal written communication used for official purpose such as business correspondence or personal letters. Reports and documents, formal written communication conveying factual information and analysis often used in academic and professional settings. Articles and blog posts, informal written communication that aims to inform or entertain a broader audience comes under article and blog posts. All social media posts, that is self-explanatory since we communicate most of the time with social media. Visual communication, that is images, infographics, videos, photos, illustrations, and diagrams convey information visually, making it easier to understand and remember. Infographics, data visualization tools that present information in visually engaged and easily understandable way. Dynamic visual content that combines images, sound, and movement to convey messages effectively. So interpersonal communication is another type, face-to-face communication, telephone communication, video conferencing. So all the interviews today falls under these three categories. The direct communication involves verbal and non-verbal cues, allowing for immediate feedback and understanding. Telephone communication via phone calls, allowing for real-time conversations but lacking visual cues. Communication technology that combines videos and audio, allowing for remote interactions and visual clues. Group communication. So when you want to convey something to all the people in your organization, this kind of communication can be used. That is meeting, teamwork, presentations, formal gatherings for discussion, decision making, and information sharing. Collaboration among individuals with complementary skills to achieve a common goal. Formal communication to a group, typically involving visual aids and clear message. Mass communication is nothing but broadcasting, print media, online. All your communication through television channels, radios, and other media channels reaching a large audience is nothing but broadcasting. Communication through papers, newspapers, magazines, and books, providing information and entertaining is print media. Communication through websites, social media, and other online platforms, reaching a global audience is another mass communication. So effective communication strategies involves active listening, paying full attention to the speaker, understanding their perspective and responding appropriately, clear and concise language, use simple and direct language, avoiding jargon and ambiguity to ensure understanding, non-verbal cues, using appropriate body language, facial expressions, and the tone of voice to convey the intended message, feedback and evaluation, seeking feedback and evaluating the effectiveness of communication to make necessary adjustments. So we have covered so far different types of communication and what kind of tools we use for these types of communication. I thank you all for your patient listening. We'll meet in the next lecture series. Thank you.